Truevo makes it easy for your business to get paid online. How easy, you say? Let's see. All of this is free to use, by the way. First, you'll need to sign up through our online form. We'll review your application and get back to you pronto. Once you're set up, accept payments online. Our payment plugin works seamlessly with any online store powered by WooCommerce, PrestaShop, Magento, or Odoo. Track every sale. See what's going in and out of your account with a detailed overview. Spend and be rewarded. Make purchases with your debit card straight from your Truevo account. The more you use your card, the more you earn back. We'll reward you at the end of each month with a fee rebate. That's pretty cool. Simple, right? Sign up for free with Truevo today.